I wanted to shoot a video of these Ogio saddlebags that I just got on the Ninja 400. The install was relatively simple. Each side of the bag has these straps that go across. They're Velcro. So you'll just kind of adjust them right before you put them on, and then you lay them across, and then you can adjust the distance to get it more snug. The tie downs were relatively simple. On the front here, I took the front tie down and pulled it. Has a little, the strap is sewed in to the end, but on the back of the rear passenger foot peg, there's a little hook you can see right there. So I just struck it around there and came up, clipped it there, and you'll pull that snug. Same thing on the other side. And then for the rear attachment, have these little clips. What I did was I ran it across to the opposite side helmet hook. I guess that's what it is, the helmet hook or whatever. And then I used the opposite sides so it could grip it and not come loose. If you attached it to this side, to the same side, it could easily slide off the bottom. So ran it to the other side and it stays on tight. Then just adjust all your straps to make it fit snug. There's about 3 inches between the exhaust and the bottom here, so I don't think heat's going to be an issue. And the turn signals aren't obstructed. Quick look at the bags. I think I paid $135 for them on Amazon. They have a built-in rain fly. Reach in there and pull it out, and it just wraps around the whole bag. The bags themselves are pretty spacious. You could probably fit a full day's outfit. You could probably put, your jeans, your shirts, and such, socks, whatever. A day's worth on each side. It does expand if you unzip it all the way around. It expands out about an additional 2 inches. So you could fit even more things in there. That's one on each side. So there's a lot of room in there for all your things. I'm planning on probably a 3 or 4 day adventure up in the Blue Ridge Mountains. So I think we could get all the supplies in there. And if not, could possibly add another tail bag.